In today's video, I'll show you how to use Ask Leo AI through the Brave browser on PC and mobile phone. Leo is a fully hosted AI assistant by Brave. As you can see on the screen, Leo can use 3 artificial intelligence models depending on your needs. Those 3 models are Mixtral, Claude Instant, and Lama 2. I use Mixtral, a model created by Mixtral AI to handle advanced tasks. However, whichever model is selected, it's used in the same way. I'll show you how. Launch the Brave browser on your device. In the search bar, enter the words for your search. For example, I'll enter how to generate random password. You'll notice below the Google search a similar field labeled Ask Leo. Click on that field. On the right side, a new section will appear where that query will be sent to Leo AI. The answer is generated instantly. From there, you can continue communicating with Leo AI. Additionally, you can pin the sidebar to always access Leo AI. If you want to do that, right-click on the sidebar and choose the Always option. Leo will be available to you at all times, and you can open it by clicking on this star icon. Let's now switch to the mobile version of Brave. Open Brave on your phone. To use Leo AI, you can enter a search term and click on Ask Leo just like before. Another way is to click on the 3 dots in the bottom right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Leo. And there you go, the chat with Leo AI opens. And that's it. Do you like Leo AI? Or do you prefer ChatGPT more? Write to us in the comments. Subscribe to our channel.